Good morning, student. I hope you all are doing well, and today I am going to discuss with you exercise 7.2. Question number first. Let's start without wasting any time. Now the question number first is, in an isosceles triangle ABC, this one is a triangle and this is a isosceles triangle. With AB is equal to AC, you have given AB is equal to AC. The bisector of angle B and C intersect each other at O. Bisector of angle B and angle C intersect at point O. Okay. Join A to O. Join this line and you have to find OB is equal to OC. OB is equal to OC, and the second one is a bisect of angle A. So let's do start. Now the solution of let's see, if you have to find OB is equal to OC, OB is equal to OC, OB is equal to OC. In which two triangles we have to prove? AOB, AOC. You have to prove these two triangles congruent. Okay, so triangle OAB, OAB and triangle OAC. AB is equal to AB, you have given. And the next one is OA. When you take this triangle, O is, when you take this one, OA, again repeated, it means OA is equal to OA, common side, you can write common. The next one is OB. AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. You have given AB is equal to AC and OA is equal to OA, common side, and you know that this angle is completely bisector of this. It means this angle equal to this. Let me tell you, this complete angle and this complete angle bisector of B. Okay. So these two sides are equal. It means the opposite angles of are equal. देखो, these sides are equal, so these angle will be equal by opposite side या equal sides opposite angle. We have already discussed this theorem. So angle OBA and ACO. Okay. Why? Bisector angle B and angle C, and थ्योरम क्या हो जाएगी? Opposite angles of equal sides. Am I right? Then next one is side angle by criterion side angle side. Triangle OAB congruent to triangle OAC, right? So what will happen next? Then you have to prove OB is equal to OC. OB is equal to OC. Why? By CPCT. By CPCT you can prove it. Corresponding part of corresponding triangle. You have to prove. You have already proved these two triangles are congruent. It means these two sides will be equal because corresponding part of congruent triangles are equal. Now come to the second part, that is you have to prove A bisect angle A. How to prove? Again we have start in triangle OAB and triangle OAC. We have already proved this outside above. We have already proved this. So these two triangles are equal. You can write it angle. No need to prove it again. You can write angle BAO and angle CAO are equal. It means this angle 2 equal to this one, right? If this angle equal to this one, it means if you write this angle 1 and this angle 2, so these two angles are equal. Why? Because corresponding part of by CPCT. You can write this one. Okay, because you transfer this, you rotate this triangle, this part comes to this point and this comes to on this point and this one come to this. It means this angle equal to this. I hope you have to clear this question. Now come to the question number 2. Now the question number 2 is, you are given triangle ABC where AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Where AD is perpendicular bisector of BC. Show that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. You have to prove this triangle is, that is ABC is isosceles triangle. It means AB is equal to AC. You have to prove AB is equal to AC. Okay, these are these are you have given equal. AB is equal to AC क्या है? Equal. Is this given to you? No, you have to prove this. Okay, you have to prove. सबसे पहले क्या लिखेंगे? Prove AB is equal to AC. If AB is equal to AC, then it became isosceles triangle. Now let's start in, if we have to prove these two triangles are congruent, then it became isosceles, because we can prove, if we prove these two triangle congruent, then we can easily prove that this side equal to this one, right? Now in triangle ADB, this one ADB and triangle ADC, where AD is equal to AD, that is common. Angle ADB is equal to angle ADC. ADB is equal to ADC. Why? Both are 90 degree. Both 90 degree you have given. And BD is equal to CD, or you can DC. Okay. Why? AD is bisector of BC, right? So side angle by criteria, side angle side triangle ADB congruent to triangle ADC. We have already written this. So AB is equal to ACY by CPCT, and we know the meaning of CPCT. CPCT means corresponding part of congruent triangle. So AB is equal to AC. I hope you have cleared first two questions. Now come to the question number 3. Now the question number 3 is, ABC is an isosceles triangle. You have given this triangle is a isosceles triangle in which altitude BE and CF are drawn to equal side AC and AB. These two altitude are drawn on BE on AC and CF on AB. Side AC and AB respectively show that these altitude are equal. You have to prove that BE is equal to CF. Okay, now let's start with solution. We have to prove these two altitudes are equal. So we have to prove A, E, B, I am talking about this triangle, and A, F, C means this one. This triangle and this triangle. Okay, if we prove these two triangles are congruent, then these two altitudes became equal. So let's start. In triangle AEB and triangle AFC, this one. Okay, in this you have given AB, so let it be. First we write angle A is equal to A. Why? Common. When you write this triangle, when we talking about this triangle, this angle is comes, and when we talking about this one, again this angle comes. So angle A and angle A is equal to common in both triangles. Next one is AB is equal to AC. Why? It's given to you because this triangle is an isosceles triangle. Is this given to you in question? Yes, absolutely. Now AEB is equal to AFC, that both are 90 degree, means this one and this one you have given both angles are 90 degree. It means side angles, angle side angle by criteria angle side angle, triangle AEB congruent to triangle AFC. It means you can write BE equal to CFY by CPCT. Congruent part of corresponding triangles are equal. We have already discussed about it, okay, from last two exercise. So I hope you have cleared first three questions, and we will meet again on my next video. So please take care of yourself. Bye bye.